Hey y'all, this is Marky Pearson in downtown Key West at We Cycle Bike Shop, and I am the co-owner and director of the Zombie Bike Ride. This event was like many things. If you're just hanging out drinking with your friends, you propose ideas, and why don't we do that, right? It was that simple. This was a bike ride with approximately 75 people. We had some speakers, everyone was having a good time. It's bike culture, it's Key West, everyone loves these bike rides. And it grew into this massive, wide-scale event that now takes over the whole town. Thousands of people ride their bikes together. It's that simple. What makes it amazing is that everyone is costumed. There's music, families, pets. Everyone is there. The parade is huge. People watch the parade. It's during Halloween. It sort of kicks off Fantasy Fest and the whole season for town. And that's what people love about it, is taking the zombie idea and applying it to anything that they want. So they get to be so creative and so inventive, and there's contraptions and multi-level bikes and combined teams, and it's really a large-scale community event. Locals, people that visitors, tourists alike, all can participate in this event. It's family friendly as well. We love that aspect of it, that so many people can come out and enjoy it. You can ride the 4 miles, you can watch it, or there's approximately 100 parties that you go to. They're all zombie themed. So it sort of takes over the whole island, this zombie madness. And it's all about riding a bike. Our motto down here at the Zombie Bike Ride is ride a bike and change the world. And that's what we love to do, have thousands of people riding bikes together. Please check out the website for other information, details, get some amazing zombie swag, and come down and be a zombie for a day.